How to format cells in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Excel on your device. I have all these numbers. Now to format this cell, select the numbers and right click on it. After you right click on it, you'll find all these options. In here, scroll down and click on Format Cells. After you click on Format Cells, you'll find different options to change it to currency, date, and everything. I'm simply clicking on percent. After you've clicked on it, press on OK at the bottom and your cell will be formatted in this way. And this is how to format cells in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.